Before your customers can begin backing up their data, you'll need to create a backup user account for them. This account allows them to efficiently manage backup plans, storage quotas, and devices. There are two types of backup user accounts to choose from depending on your customer's needs. 1. AhsayACB Backup User Account is suitable for customers with basic backup needs. It supports file, cloud file, Windows system backups, and a maximum of 2 Microsoft 365 accounts. It is ideal for less technical customers as it is designed for ease of use. However, it only supports Windows desktop versions such as Windows 7 to 11 and Mac OS. And 2. AhsayOBM User Account, which is a great option for business users who require additional protection beyond basic file and cloud file, such as databases, virtual machines, as well as a wider range of platforms, including Windows Desktop and Server, Mac OS, Linux, FreeBSD, and Synology and QNAP NAS devices. If you want to learn how to create backup user accounts, let's go to my screen and get started. To create a new backup user account, go to Users, Groups, and Policies. If you would notice, there's an existing OBM user account. This is automatically created upon your registration for the AMBaaS free trial with a login name and password included on the AMBaaS welcome email. From the Backup User tab, click the plus sign to create a new backup user. Set up the login name and password. For the user group, this account will be assigned to the default user group. Then click the next button to continue. If the customer wishes to test the backup service before they decide to subscribe, then select a subscription type, Trial User. You can change the type from Trial User to Paid User when the customer subscribes to your backup service. Otherwise, the Trial User account will automatically be suspended according to the number of days set, and the user will be suspended after a certain number of days in free trial option style, which can be from 7 to 90 days. Otherwise, select Paid User. Don't forget to configure the language of the client to be used for emails and reports, as well as the time zone of the client device or endpoint. Take note, if time zone is set incorrectly, automatic backups will fail to start at the scheduled time and be reported as a missed backup, even though the scheduled backup job did run. The upload encryption key setting is enabled by default. For the rest of the settings, you may keep it on default. Click Next. The backup client software AhsayACB is selected by default. Select the available add-on modules for the backup user. Don't forget to select Volume Shadow Copy to support open file backup on Windows, as well as the duplication. Set up the storage quota as well. In our example, we will assign 100 GB to the customer. Click Next to continue. Click the plus sign to add a contact information for the user. This contact information will be used for sending the welcome email and backup and restore report notifications. Otherwise, your customers won't receive any notifications. Click the Add button. Click Save. The new AhsayACB backup user account has been successfully created. The customer will immediately receive a welcome email with instructions on how to download the AhsayACB installer, so don't forget to send them the login password. You may follow the same steps when creating an AhsayOBM backup user account. Click the plus sign to add a new backup user account. Set up the login name and password. Then, click Next. Select a subscription type. For this, let's keep the default selection Trial User. Configure the language to be used for the client's emails and reports, as well as the time zone if needed. We can keep the default selection for the rest of the settings. Click Next. Select AhsayOBM as the backup client. Scroll down and you'll see the complete add-on modules available for AhsayOBM. If your customer requires Microsoft 365 backups, you need to enter the number of Microsoft 365 user accounts they wish to back up. Otherwise, Microsoft 365 backup will be disabled on this OBM account. Similar with AhsayACB. Don't forget to select Volume Shadow Copy to support open file backup on Windows, as well as the duplication. Set up the storage quota as well. In our example, we will assign 100 GB to the customer. Click Next to proceed. Add a contact information for the user. Click Save. The new AhsayOBM backup user account has been successfully created. Your client will immediately receive a welcome email with instructions on how to download the AhsayOBM installer, so don't forget to send them the login password. Consider Ahsay to safeguard your data. Choosing the right backup solution is just the beginning of ensuring that your clients' valuable information stay protected. Whether you're looking for the simplicity and ease of AhsayACB or the robust, advanced features of AhsayOBM, we've got a solution that fits your customers' needs. Remember, data loss can happen at any time. Don't wait for a disaster to strike. Get your customers' data protected to give them total peace of mind. Choose Ahsay. Your data is safe with us.